name is Andres Bermudez. I am going to expose about 5 incredible inventions. The first invention is the cell phones have become one of the main tools for different files since with the advancement of technology that devices have acquired the possibility of performing different tasks other than communication and information. Since now they are able to fulfill the function of entertaining the user and helping him in many more tasks. Due to variety of models, they are different price of the product. The second invention is commercial space travel, one of the new inventions that will surely become a normality in the future, as air travel was once is space travel. The first commercial travel trip was SpaceX, but no ship at all. It estimates that a trip to space per person may be around 800 million Colombian pesos. Third, electric cars. Although automobiles are not a recent invention, they have been evolving and acquiring new technologies that allow them to be more efficient device and that causes a much lower environmental impact. This despite its price. Since being new technology, it is quite expensive. Its price is around 500 million Colombian pesos. Fourth, smart cleaner. Smart cleaners are tools for the home that allows and automated while they have the floor of the home always clean. These devices are rechargeable and very accessible. Its price is around 400,000 Colombian pesos. Fifth, high-performance computers. As in the case of the mobile cell phones, competitors are not recent inventions, but they have still acquired and technologies that allow them to be versatile tools that are capable of performing almost any task at high speed. The average price for good equipment it is 1.7 million Colombian pesos. Thank you.